Guys, andito kami sa CCF ngayon. Magto-church kami. Thank you, Lord. At nakapunta kami dito ngayon.
She cried in silence. I didn't know what to say. So I simply kissed her forehead, whispered, "I love you," then told her.
And the reality is also this, not all of us have good fathers. Some of you don't have fathers. And I know it has impacted your life. But what I'm with you in spirit, now Paul is saying, grammatically he's saying, I'm happy, I rejoice to see your good discipline.
Guys, eto, tapos na kami mag-church. Uuwi na kami. Sarap na ang feeling na nakabalik ng church. Okay guys, aalis na kami. Malayo pa yung lalakaran namin papunta sa parking. Bye! See you next time. Thank you for watching. Daming tao. Grabe. Nakaka-inspire talagang bumalik sa church.